All right, everybody. This is me, Shin James, with Connecting Common. Grabbing some sweet potatoes.
I'm only gonna check this one bag because it's coming up. See?
Hope everybody's doing good. Doing a quick preview. He saw some of the potatoes sticking up out of the
ground.
Out of the bed, which you can see some of them at the top
and
of
I
it.
want that rain to riding them out.
Let's see what we got.
But I'm gonna let them grow. I'm gonna let some other bags grow longer. Let's try.
That's pretty good size. So far, so good. That's good.
Well, see, because man, I know some more. I just stick my hand down in here. But I'm gonna
get those vines out the way.
A bunch of them in here, big ones. I'm gonna let them over. I'm gonna let them over and go the next month. But these are really.
Ooh. I might have to take the second bag.
Yeah, because. I can't feel it. Oh, yeah.
Yep, found you another one.
Man.
Bug trying to bite you?
Yeah. But we don't want to feel way down here.
Another one.
Way down in the bottom. No sweet potato grown. I hate that.
So you're rooting around, make sure.
Keep them, let them stay in here.
Yeah, keep
them
small. Ruining that soil. Nice and rich. Look at there. Yeah. All right, guys. That may be it. Well, all right, guys. Well, thank you for being with us. You guys continue to be well and like and subscribe. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.